Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install the TV stand to your Hisense smart TV. Okay, as you can see on the table now, I already removed the TV stand from the TV and you can read it. This one is the right mention and this one is the left mention, and you can check out on your TV stand. You see the touch right, and this one left. Okay, so input it to the correct position to your TV, and before you can input it you need to have a screwdriver. And now just put the TV to the corner of the table like this. Then you can insert the TV stand to it. Okay, now left to left, right to right. This one is the right. Okay, after install it, now put the TV back to normal condition. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install the TV stand to your Hisense smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.